The new ChatGPT desktop app brings chat, work, and codecs into one Windows app. To install it, open the official ChatGPT desktop download page and choose Download for Windows. Open the installer when the download finishes and follow the Windows installation prompt. Launch ChatGPT, then sign in with your normal ChatGPT account. OpenAI says the new desktop app is available globally on every plan, including free. If you already use the older ChatGPT desktop app, you may also see ChatGPT Classic on your computer, and that is normal. If you use the Codex app, updating it moves you to the new ChatGPT desktop app. Once the app opens, use the switcher to confirm that chat and work are available under ChatGPT, and that Codex appears as the developer workspace. At that point, the new ChatGPT desktop app is installed and ready to use.